that possible?
Yeah.
It's Copenhagen or?
No. I saw you once. You are from the BIENNALIST.
Yeah.
What is this? What are you doing? Fine. Now you are real for us. You are real for us.
Yeah, we are real, more than real.
We are returning here now with the penetration.
Okay.
And we are presenting you the responses made into a composition in this bag. And we would like to leave the bag right here.
This is
running.
another bag. I like the bag you use it. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I think it's a really essential part of your project, this bag.
Yeah, it is exactly.
It's like a Santa Claus bag, but it's not Santa Claus bag. Oh,
It is possible to go around not only with rucksack like that, but also in pavilions. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
BIENNALIST consider that this is a good news and this is a good sign that art has become something welcoming for the This is a good, that will be possible. Yeah. Okay. Good news. What is exactly you're ready to give you space?
Yeah, I can give you this space. No problem.
This is a good news. I suppose it would. I want it. So it's okay with you if somebody comes and makes... Yes.
This is really this for reception, really especially or... No, okay.
I'll be honored to have that. What do you think about if an artist comes to look at it and make
Interesting.
or happy or something like that?
But you think the sound is, would be enough to hear the people?
People have to go close. So
We don't disturb. It's once they have to come.
It's a very nice idea. Yeah.
Some artists penetrate through space. I don't know, but I think it's what you are doing now is the perfect way, actually. That's a good way. Yeah. You have the solution already. Me parece bien.
If anybody have any information, everything to say, show, why not? Why not?
This is a good news. Is that okay? That will be okay? Maybe yes, maybe no. You have your food, so you know it. You know what the reason was. Maybe it's something that I don't quite understand. This is a good news.
Okay.
I suppose it's a good idea. Yes. I'll be honored. No problem. I want.
Show, yeah.
I want. There's no problem.
So it's not disturbing. It's a story.
I like the project actually. All the projects. Show, yeah.
Thank you. But where is the best to put it?
where do you want it? In the middle.
Hello.